Hi guys, welcome back. It's your girl D Segura. As you can see, my hair, yes, I have to tackle my hair. My hair is curly and I need to straighten up. I like to have my hair straightened just because, to blow dry it, to have it. I feel like when I have it straight, I don't have to worry about my hair for like maybe 3, 4 days, top, 5, 6. But I like to have it straight. It's easier to maintain it. This curly hair is a lot of problem. You know, you know it. I'm not the only girl with the curly hair. You girls are with these curly hair. How hard it's to maintain it, especially my hair. My hair, oh my god! If I leave it curly for like, let's say I wash it right the same day, and I leave it that curly that day, it'll turn out to be good maybe for about 5 hours, 6, and then the next day is like, bam,
Big. No.
not for me. I can't. Too too much. I should finish last because if you can see, I took a shower and everything like that, and I washed my hair, and now it's dry. So, I mean, it's kind of wet, a little bit wet, but the reason I do that is because to kill time. Yeah, I really want to kill time. I want to get this done really quick, but you're going to see. I'm going to be fixing this way because I got the mirror here, so I need to see myself in order to blow dry my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you there. Bye. So I'm here dividing my hair. I know that is damp, so it's easier for me to just divide it into probably 3 sections. Um, like that I can work out with one section and then I can work out with another. Just put a one clip, and you see that curly hair, it has to be straight. So I have to divide it. I can't just not leave it loose like that. So I just put another clip and then I'll work on my way, one and the other. Now what I like to do is divide it into two and work one side here and one side there. I'm doing one in my left and one in the right. So I just don't like to tackle the whole head on the left side and then the whole head on the right side. No, I like both of them because what I do is after like I dry them up with the blow dryer, I just make sure like I just like put the blow dryer in the back and make sure like it's all straightened or like I already did it. And the reason I do that is because it's easier like that. I don't have no eyes in my back. I feel the joy that I already did my hair. It feels so good. You just need is a blow dryer and a big round brush. This brush is old, really old, but it does the job, that's for sure. And this was great, and a comb and clips to, I get 3 clips to divide the hair and everything. But well, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I don't have no makeup because this video was just supposed to be just hair tutorials. So. And if you do like this video, just give it a like, thumbs up. I hope I see you to the next one, and bye.